what was my old way of thinking with regards to maltodextrin and supplements and all that other stuff? Well, I'm going to cover that in today's video, so stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Hey, this is Lance McGowan, the Tropical Smoothie Guy, and today I'm going to talk about my old way of thinking when it came to supplements and why I changed that way of thinking, and now I have a new way of thinking that's bigger and better. Well, maybe just better, not bigger. I'll talk about that more in the next section.
Hey, this is Lance McGowan, the Tropical Smoothie Guy, and my old way of thinking was getting in the way of stuff. And here's how. Well, I used to think that all supplements were created equal and that the ingredients didn't matter as long as it came from a well-known company. As long as they're reputable, got a few labels on it, use some buzzwords, natural, gluten-free, all that jazz. Well, I struggled with knowing what was really in the food I was buying, but was looking for answers since I wanted what was best for my body. And that baby right there, man, I wish I had his hair. That's okay, but I still have that look of like, what's in my supplements? Right. The increasing use of maltodextrin as a cheap filler in everyday products has really changed the way I think about food additives, and I wanted to share that information with you as well. And you can see the corn right there and a little sign of cheapness because it's super heavily subsidized to the point where farmers basically can make it below their costs and then pass those cost savings on to really cheap processed foods and actually bring down the cost of meat as well, because meat is fed, whether it's cows or chickens, they're fed corn, so it lowers their cost of animal feed. So when you look at like organic costs and other costs like that, like the reason why organics expensive is because it's not subsidized. So if you took away the government subsidies for food, it'd be at least on par or maybe even more expensive for regular non-organic food. Well, the next steps is to subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch the next video so you can learn more. I cover maltodextrin in a lot more detail and really show you how my old way of thinking was just that old, and then I have a new way of thinking too, which is fact-based.
There are some brands that you may know, like, trust, but yet do they use maltodextrin as a filler? Looking at the ingredients is also going to be important. Also looking for natural flavors and some other key things that I'll be talking about in some of my other videos. So you're going to want to make sure to hit the subscribe button on YouTube and then check out my other videos to learn more.